So today's going to be a really long day, and my Dyna actually needs a motor mount because about a month or so back, I noticed while I was riding it, I was catching a little extra vibration, and I thought it had something to do with the suspension, but it's basically the motor mount and how those Dynas vibrate so much. So I'm headed over here to Jake at Speedway Harley Davidson so I could purchase a motor mount. Hey Jake, I need to buy that motor mount.
Is it because you destroyed yours?
I didn't destroy it. When I bought the bike, it was already old.
Likely story.
Yeah, maybe you destroyed it because you sell me crap parts.
I haven't sold you a motor mount yet. Yeah. And if I did sell you a
motor mount, I think that the reason my motor mount, I think that my motor mount is failing because this guy told me to get this Bassani exhaust that vibrated the crap out of my motor and probably
here's the problem.
Where?
You're thinking again. That has always gotten you in trouble. Stop thinking. Because if I was going to sell you a motor mount, it would be the Chopper House. We get that garbage crash bar off his.
He's jealous because my OG is better than his.
No, because the Chopper House.
Should we slap him with the camera? The Chopper House would require me to get rid of my amazing engine guard. Best engine guard on the planet, to be fair.
If it was the best engine guard, it would work with the Chopper House.
Don't know about all that. All right.
Nothing.
So this is the part where I pay, and I got to figure out which one of these cards are not over or don't have no money left in them. Does it have a tapper?
It does have a tapper.
I'm gonna tap on it.
Give me your money, Curtis.
You taking it that I ain't got. That's okay. I'll go sell some semen or something. I might have to take that out the video. All right, so now we got the part. I don't have time to put it on my bike.
Changed your mind already?
Not yet, no, because I have a whole lot of work to do, so I'm gonna give this to Scene.
What is it?
Say what's up to John, y'all.
What up?
Make sure y'all go follow his YouTube channel. This is a pilot. Yeah. He flies airplanes.
I do.
All I do is ride motorcycles. He flies airplanes, and the engine cut off on one while he was in the air.
Yeah.
Kind of. Y'all go watch that. He rides motorcycles too, but he flies airplanes. I wish I could fly an airplane. No, I'm not giving up my wheels. All right, so I am actually going to end up turning my camera over to Scene as soon as I can find them. Real quick, let's go take a look at the Dyna. It's sitting out here. Look at her, sitting so amazing. If y'all did not see the video yet on my Shark Demon, definitely check that out. I got to do an updated video. Let me know if y'all want me to do a long-term review of the Bassani, of the Leather Pros, of the Lapera. I'm just bragging on all the parts that's on my bike right now. What up, Al? All right, so I have no idea what's gonna happen in this video, but Scene's gonna take care of this on his lunch break, but I'm gonna give him my camera and this as soon as I can find him around here somewhere. I don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. He's right there. So I'm gonna give him my camera and this. So whatever happens on the channel after this, I ain't got shit to do with because I ain't gonna have a camera.
I promise, Ryda Nation, we're gonna make this cool as possible.
All right, he's getting my camera and all this good stuff.
Oh, I get to use the Action 4?
God, I don't know what's gonna come out of this video.
No, it's gonna be great.
It's for YouTube, so keep it PG-13.
No, it's gonna be like PG nothing because we ain't gonna be.
No, I love boobies.
I promise, but I do love boobies. Like I am straight up booby man. All right, so we're gonna make this happen for Curtis. All right, Ryda Nation. So we're at a point where I can go out here and get Curtis's bike, and I forgot his keys. Stupid. Like I've been replacing a battery in an EV bike, which. Yeah, that's no fun. Look at this. This is what I get to do. Yay, I'm helping the environment. Let's all be carbon neutral by getting an EV and then mine millions of tons of ground just to get a little bit of lithium so that we can then process it, make cobalt, and then have like 11 other things, minerals that we have to use. So, we'll take a break and we're going to talk about what we're fixing to do to Curtis's bike, the Infinit Ryda. Yeah, get some. Gangsta lane. Gangsta for real. All right, so let's talk about this. So on all your earlier dynos, well, even up to 2017, they had a motor mount system that was extremely inferior. Although the dynos were an amazing platform, the front motor mount that they used, they could have done. They really could have done a much better job. But I'll go ahead and show you, and then we'll do some explaining. So if you see that little rib right there, what happens is, as this gets weight on it, this is held in by the frame. This is held on the frame. This is pinched on the motor. I'm trying to do a video. All right, let's see. Yeah. All right. Anyways, what happens is this motor mount, the rubber gets weak and it sags, and then this actually will contact the frame, and then you get a lot of vibration, and then like it resonates through the rest of the motorcycle, and that's what Copernicus, yeah, that's what I'm gonna start calling him when he comes through the door and be like, hey, yo, Copernicus. Yeah. Anyways, so man, I'm really struggling. There's other companies out there that make different motor mounts, like Chopper House and Big Bear Choppers. There's Kinetic Energy, I think, or something like that. Oh, hey, this is for Curtis's channel, not mine. That's Brett Michaels, guys.
Got a hat on today.
Still hasn't died, like, hasn't aged, like, except his hips are bad.
Brett Michaels. Oh, nice guy Al.
Oh,
nice guy
that's
Al.
new Al.
Yeah, that's new Al right there.
Well, there went his there went his AdSense. Beep. So let's get down here. We're gonna get, actually, I'm gonna say we'll get down here. Let me get the motorcycle lift up, and then I'll show you what we're doing. Pretty simple change, pretty simple fix. It's something you guys could do at home. And it'll help. It will last a little while, but it's not a permanent fix. There are, like I said, there are other motor mounts out there that will do a much better job in the long run. Dynos are just shaky old dinosaurs. That's all there is to it. You can chase a vibration all you want, but at the end of the day, they're gonna vibrate. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna support the motor and get a block of wood like that. Move your clutch cable out of the way. Well,
Got the top end gasket, kid.
get a different block of wood. There we go. And then we'll just take some pressure off of the motor. And then we're going to loosen these two bolts and then these two bolts, and then the motor mount will drop out. We'll slide the new one in, bolt it up, and then we're done. So you're going to need a 5/16 and two 9/16. And hopefully I'm right.
decided not to do the setup like you got on yours?
Well, he can't because he's got this bar on here.
Bar here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, little Elmo.
What's wrong? Hey guys, I like it in the butt. Wow, that exhaust is hot. Let's move that. We'll jack this up and get that out of the way. This one's always a pain in the ass though. Boom. Now what I want to show you guys, so see how that is nice and flat. That's where your vibration comes from on a dyno. This motor mount will sag. The rubber, it's not broken, ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's gotten weak over time. And it is a single point mount. So dynos are a 2-point mount system. You have one in the front, one in the rear, and then you have a top stabilizer link. So and the rear one looks almost identical to this. So you pretty much have this set up front and rear on a dyno. I highly suggest that you get it replaced and go with a better aftermarket design. So now we're going to go back together. Get that in now. Get that in there. And I got to burn my hand again. Ah, shit. Then what we'll do is we'll lift the motor back up. Get this started. Actually, I'll put some blue Loctite on it. When applying Loctite, let's get this in camera view. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Oh fuck. Oh damn it. Stuck to the camera. The magnet for the microphone stuck to my left, and then I lifted my head up and banged that off. Like, it's just been one of those days. So that is sufficient. That is good. Now, if you notice, I didn't put any on there because those are actually like captured nuts, like they're crimped. So they'll tighten up and they'll be good to go, but you can put a little bit on here. And we are going to use German torque on this, good and tight. Click, click. And we'll let pressure off of the motor. And we're done. Who's texting me? I'll respond to that in a minute. All right, so he's done. And you're done. Comment in the section down below. You know, tell Curtis you really like him and that he's doing a great job. I mean, he's really trying. So let's go see him. John. Ow. Oh, say hey.
Hey.
That was kind of gay. So I was told that you're
Heavy on the ish.
Heavy.
There's Hanukkah Harry.
Hanukkah Harry. All right, well, this is Curtis's channel. Ooh, look it up. Ooh, Curtis put that up. He did a great job, didn't he? Y'all say hey for Curtis. Curtis's channel.
Hi, Curtis.
See, people love you. You know. All right, we're about to your office. You're not in there. Where are you? Hey, y'all seen Curtis? Nope. I know he didn't leave. Well, let's see. Oh. Oh, and it moves. I stepped on its foot. It scared me. All right, folks. Well, so obviously you saw that we replaced the motor mount and I can't find Curtis, so this is going to be the end of the video.
Bye, video people.
We're out.